Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting because we just finished renovating this travel trailer, and today I'm going to share with you a before and an after of our travel trailer renovation project. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of behind the scenes on my stories sharing the whole journey and process of this travel trailer. So my husband and I bought this used travel trailer. We knew that when our children were around the ages that they are, that we wanted to go on a lot of really fun camping adventures with them, and we've always dreamed about buying and renovating a travel trailer, and we saw one on Facebook Marketplace that the layout was just perfect. It felt just right. We bought it and we got to work renovating it. We just finished. It took us 3 months and we're so excited with how it turned out. In today's video, I'm going to share with you before and after videos of the renovation project. So this video will be a little bit shorter, and then there's a part 2, which will be a full detailed travel trailer tour where my husband and I will walk through the different sections of the trailer and share with you in more detail our thoughts and what we did to renovate this space. In both videos, I will add links below in the video description box for as many items that we can link that we used on this project. So now, here is what our travel trailer looked like before. And here is how the travel trailer looks after. This was a major transformation. I'm so happy with how it turned out. My husband and I worked together on this entire project, just the two of us, from reupholstering these cushions to adding the shiplap to the walls to putting in the floors. How my husband and I work together on these projects is that I design everything and then he brings it to life, and it just turned out so great. I'm so excited to, now that it's finished, go on some really fun family adventures. In the next video, my husband and I will be walking you through the trailer for a full detailed tour and really sharing with you our thoughts and how we really worked on different sections of the trailer, the kitchen, the dinette, the bunk bed, because we did create a lot of really custom features to maximize the space and make the space more efficient. So you can look forward to that video coming soon. I'll also put a link below in the video description box. If you have any questions for us about trailer renovation, let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!